What is up, everybody? Check it out. That's a mini split. Yes, installed in the back of a Promaster 110. Got the drain lines run, got the copper line set coming down here through and out the bottom here. I've got them just kind of thrown underneath there for now. You've got the exterior unit over there on the side. Here's my power line. One goes all the way up to your head unit, and then that gets run back down to your exterior outside unit there, which we're gonna come over here and I'll show you. We're gonna mount it right here on the side of the van. You really can't turn these things because of the oil in the compressor. You don't want to mess with it. So I was thinking, can we mount it on the back of the door? I wanted to mount it here, but then you've got to worry about those lines. You have to have them on a swivel because that door is going to be open all the time, and I really didn't want to have to worry about that. So it's about 12 inches wide. The front mirror is at 18.5, so I feel comfortable with it being on the side there. Also, we're going to install the soft start on it. I was on the phone with the engineer. He's out of El Paso, Texas, the soft start guy. Awesome dude. And we were able to break down the diagram and wire that soft starter in. So hopefully we're gonna see if we can get this to run off our battery bank. We've got 300 amp hours of lithium batteries, and then we've got another 100 amp marine battery, and that just runs our accessory, radio, TV, and whatnot. But there it is, guys, AC. Awesome. Comes with this nice remote here. You can see, you can adjust everything. You've got this swing, which is nice. You can see that thing just goes down and up, just kind of blowing the air back and forth for you. You can tell that stuff is. You can see the lines starting to get cold there. You can't even hear this thing running. That's what's nice about it. So guys, stay tuned and we'll keep you guys posted on the soft start install and whatever else I can share with you guys on this mini split.